The Internet of Things is the process that allows you to connect daily physical elements to the Internet, from common domestic objects such as light bulbs to resources for healthcare such as medical devices. They also include garments and personal items such as smartwatches and even traffic lights in smart cities. It refers to all the physical device systems that receive and transfer data through wireless network with little human intervention, which is possible thanks to the integration of computer devices in all types of objects. They are powered to be our eyes and ears when we cannot be physically there. Equipped with sensors, the devices capture the data that we could see, hear, or perceive. Then, it shared the data as it was indicated and then it is analyzed, so that it will help us to substantiate and automatize our subsequent actions or decisions. In our daily life, we can see a huge amount of connected objects that are part of the Internet of Things. For example, autonomous vehicle. People talk about the cars that drive itself alone more and more every day. The only thing the user has to do is to tell the car where he wants to go. What is clear is that vehicles are increasingly intelligent with touchscreen and a huge amount of sensors that makes users' life so much easier. Vacuum robots. They have a lot of sensors that allow them to clean the floor of the house without hitting anything and touching obstacles independently. Smart home. Smart devices for households include from presence sensors that light up lights automatically to temperature or humidity sensors that activate other devices. Even attendees like Alexa work as good as these kind of devices. There are so many things and applications that fit to this term, and for that reason the Internet of Things has been named that way, because as we have mentioned before, it is a kind of complicated abstract concept to perfectly define.